So, Natick has been doing its own thing again, because why follow trends when you can lead them? Hi, I'm Valencia-Gooding, your advocate, your vision, your guide with eXp Realty. I'm here to assist prospective buyers and sellers just like you dissect the November 2025 Natick Market update. But before we get started, please hit that like button so I can continue to bring you valuable insights of today's shifting real estate market. If you haven't already heard, this market is still serving up multiple offers like it's Saturday night at the Cheesecake Factory and everyone wants the same slice. Let's talk numbers, because the data tells the real story. In October, Natick saw 28 homes sold, which is a 12% increase year over year. And just so you know, at the time of this filming, the November stats aren't available yet, so those won't drop until the very end of November. The median sale price came in at $872,500. That's up 9.1% from last year. Median days on market was 33 days, and the list to sale price ratio was a sizzling 99.2%. So homes in Natick are basically speed dating. If you blink, they're already taken. Homes here aren't sitting around waiting for someone to swipe right. They're getting offers faster than I can finish my morning latte. Now, let's look at the bigger picture. Nationally, the big headline is interest rates. We're hanging in that mid 6% zone after the Fed's September rate cut. That's not historically low, but it's a whole lot better than the high 7s we were all crying about in 2023. And yes, buyers are still feeling the pinch, but it's not stopping serious ones. They're doing what I like to call the marry the house, date the rate plan. Because if you fall in love with a home in Natick, waiting for the perfect rate is like waiting for the Patriots to call you in to replace Drake May. It's just not happening. All right, buyers, let's have an honest talk. Here's what I often hear.
Oh, Abby, we were just going to wait for rates to drop a little more.
In the meantime, I'm saying, okay, sure, that's like waiting for Tiffany's to have a Black Friday sale. Here's the reality. When rates dip even half a point, everyone jumps back in. That cozy little porthole window of opportunity you have right now, well, that's gone. Buying now means less competition and more negotiating power. Waiting until spring means more listings, yes, but also the return of bidding more Olympics. Remember, in Natick, 33 days on market isn't long. Blink and the house you loved last weekend is already under agreement with someone else. Sellers, I see you too. You're asking, should I list now or wait until spring when the flowers bloom? Here's the thing. The only thing blooming right now is opportunity. Inventory is still low. That means your home isn't competing, it's the main attraction, the showpiece. The 99.2% list to sale price ratio means well-priced homes are practically getting asking price. But don't get DPD, also known as dream price disease. The market rewards realism and great presentation. Stage it, price it right, and you'll be signing an offer before the snow melts. Now, I hear some of you saying,
Oh, but Abby, I want my house to look its best in May. My yard will look nice by then.
well, that's cute, but by May, half your neighbors will be on the market too. Be the early bird. The early bird gets the buyer. So here's the truth. Here's what I hear the most. Buyers say, what if I buy and prices drop? Well, here's a reality check. Prices in Natick have risen 9% year over year. You're not timing the market, you're timing your life. And the sellers say, well, what if no one shows up, especially at this time of year? The right buyer will, because serious buyers are still out there, pre-approved and tired of losing out. This market is like dating, quality over quantity. You don't need 20 showings, you need just the right one. Here's the bottom line. Natick continues to be in MetroWest most competitive, desirable markets. So whether you're the luxury tier or the mainstream segment, success here is all about strategy. Buyers, get ahead of the spring frenzy now. Sellers, leverage the low inventory advantage before everyone else wakes up. I'm Abby Valencia-Gooding, your advocate, your vision, your guide. Let's build your plan, your timeline, and your success story before the market steals the spotlight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and book a call with me, because I'll have more news you can use when it comes to real estate. My info is in the link below. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.